Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here to wrap up the day. It's about 6. They just opened the markets again. So I titled this webcast, "You Can't Sell a Rally Without a Rally." So we certainly had a rally today. They couldn't take out the 50-day exponential moving average. They couldn't take out the monthly pivot. We talked about that this morning. We talked about it again in the midday webcast. Hourly chart, there's monthly pivot, higher lows. They go ahead and they ramp it this morning. Now, here's the deal. You've had 6 hours or so to try to take out that 17 area, the daily mid-band, the 20-day simple moving average, the line on the chart that delineates, at least for me, whether we are in a buy dips market or a sell rallies market. Until that green line gets converted to support, we're in a sell rallies market. They tried to sell a rally a little earlier in the afternoon. They tried to sell it from here, lower high here. They take it down, and if the bears end up blowing it, there's going to be a certain amount of regret tied to 43.77.75. Probably about 100 handles worth as we go back up and make a new all-time high up in the 77 area, 44.77s. They take it all the way back, and they still can't convert this area. So they're not dead yet. They push it back, they don't dump it, and then we end up fighting over the round number at 4,400, and we are still fighting over the round number at 4,400. And that, on the 6 o'clock open, of course, volume weighted average price jumps right up to where they open the tape. So what am I looking for tonight? Where are we relative to 17? Does it want to be a volatile night? Does it need a break? If they bring it in, what can they do with it? Can they follow through? What does Europe want to do? The 77.75, it needs to go. It needs to go as efficiently as possible, because the longer it hangs around, now you've got another higher low here to go with it. You go out a little bit, then you got a problem. You've been here, 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 here. You blew it here, and now you're here. Look, if they want to do the standoff thing on a Friday, then we end up trading between 43.90 and 44.15, 44.17. We just hang around and we just bump and bump and bump. And maybe that's the way they want to do it. But if the bears are going to succeed here, they want to convert 4,400. They want to get back into this higher low area, this 77.75, and start living underneath it. The more they're able to live underneath it, the better chance they have to try to get back into the area of the monthly pivot. What do the bulls need to do? Pretty simple. Take out the green line, close above it, solidify the tape going into the weekend as being a buy dips tape, and take it from there. So should be an interesting night. All right, everybody have a good one. We did our first training today in the private Facebook group. There's a link attached to this video to join. Come on in. It was recorded and it's there. The 5 things that you need to know with regard to any trade: options trade, stock trade, futures trade, crypto, something you saw on Reddit, whatever it is. These 5 things relate to any trade, and those 5 things will make you a better trader, and we can make you a better trader. So I'm really excited to launch, really dive in and serve in the education arm of Princetontrader. It's just the beginning. All right, have a great night. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Back tomorrow for Friday Market Webcast. Be good. Take care.